This video is brought to you by Ugreen. What's up guys, we are here with some back-to-back exciting Samsung Galaxy S22 news, and oh boy, Samsung is about to push the cameras to their absolute limits. We've got the final camera details for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which reveals two new camera sensors. It's looking hot. Not just that, we're also going to be taking a look at Samsung's next big camera jump for the Galaxy S23 Ultra next year. Oh baby, we're going to be talking about that as well. Plus, there's been a mystery Galaxy smartphone from the future spotted in hands of one of Samsung leaders, so we're gonna talk about all this stuff. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. Before we mention the actual camera specs of the S22 Ultra, let's take a look at what just happened. Samsung is cooking a brand new camera mode for the S22 Ultra to really push this 108 megapixel ISOCELL HM3 sensor to its limit. I bring you the Expert RAW camera mode. This new Expert RAW camera mode allows you to take full advantage of all the cameras, and it can take 16-bit raw output photos. That is the best raw performance you can get on any phone. Even the iPhone 13 Pro Max can only do 12-bit raw photo, which means Samsung is definitely pushing to a crazy level. Not just that, you can take raw photos using the telephoto lens. We're talking 3x, 10x, and all the way up to 20x zoom levels. You can tell by the detail in these images that this is just amazing. This expert camera mode is currently in beta and it only supports Android 12, and obviously it is for the S21 Ultra / Galaxy S22 Ultra because these are the only two phones with the ISOCELL HM3 108 megapixel sensor. In the future, this expert RAW camera mode will come built in with the S22 Ultra's camera app. Even though the sensor is same as the S21 Ultra, the quality of images will get better on the S22 Ultra thanks to the next gen hardware and ISP. It will be Samsung's best performing 108 megapixel image sensor. ISONverse completely revealed the final camera spec detail of the S22 Ultra's camera, and turns out Samsung is bringing two new telephoto Sony camera sensors with 3x optical zoom and 10x optical zoom range. Thanks to the even better zoom lenses and the improved main camera sensor, my excitement for the camera on the S22 Ultra is back. Now if you have the Galaxy S21 Ultra already, the biggest camera leap will happen in 2023 with the S23 Ultra. And before I talk about that, a big thanks to Ugreen for making this video possible. The new Ugreen 100-watt fast charger has made my life so much easier. The small, easy-to-carry charger has 100-watt power with 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, all sporting fast charging protocols, meaning you can not only fast charge one phone but 2 phones or even 3 phones all at the same time, whether it's the Galaxy S21 Ultra, Pixel 6 Pro, or the iPhone. You can also use this charger to fast charge your MacBook Pro. It's cheaper, smaller, and comes at 100-watt power compared to Apple's 96-watt, while offering multiple ports for other devices so you can charge everything. It's time to stop carrying around multiple chargers and just have one Ugreen 100-watt fast charger to charge them all. And best of all, I've teamed up with Ugreen to bring you guys a special offer. Check out the link in the description and use my special code for a special discount. Alrighty, so in 2023, Samsung will adopt the next gen 200 megapixel sensor. Yes, according to ISONverse, Samsung's next big camera jump will happen with the S23 Ultra in 2023. Samsung will likely create a better 200 megapixel sensor compared to the one that they have already announced, which is actually for other brands like Xiaomi and Motorola. The one that they're going to use for the S22 Ultra could likely be the ISOCELL HM4 sensor. Not just that, there's also a possibility of seeing the groundbreaking continuous zoom lens which Samsung has been working on for months, so this is also rumored to happen in 2023. Now last but not the least, Samsung's new mystery smartphone from the future has been spotted in the hands of one of Samsung leaders, and this device does look a bit like the S22 Ultra, but it's got an extremely curved display and the top of the device looks a little too thick. There's actually a possibility that we're looking at Samsung's future rollable smartphone. We've already seen tons of patents already for a rollable Samsung smartphone and how it looks similar to Galaxy Note but with the extremely curved display. This may very well be our first look at Samsung's super futuristic rollable smartphone that will likely come next year. In case you don't know, Samsung has full plans to release rollable smartphones in the future to really expand in the world of transformative smartphones, expanding the Galaxy Z series to a whole new level. That's all the news for today. Let me know your thoughts on the S22 Ultra's camera upgrade, and what do you think about the S23 Ultra getting the 200 megapixel sensor? If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.